Okay guys, this is a 2021 Kia Sportage all-wheel drive, rebuilt title, theft recovery, never damaged, all original paint. See, someone steals the sticker here, so they have to stamp a new sticker on there. This does have 2 keys. $43,705 on the miles. Cruise control. Backup camera. Your AC, heater, and you can connect your phone, Bluetooth. It does have lane assist, power mirrors, locks, windows. Does have a few little scratches here on this back bumper. Spare tire, jack. Ding there. Clean all-wheel drive 2021 Kia Sportage. Present you from Real Deal Auto.